Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Azure Synapse Trigger Pipeline, a powerful tool for automating data integration workflows in the cloud. In this tutorial, we will walk through a step-by-step process of creating and triggering a pipeline in Azure Synapse. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. A pipeline in Azure Synapse is a series of activities that are executed in a specific order to extract, transform, and load data. To create a pipeline, navigate to the Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Pipelines tab. Click on the New Pipeline button to create a new pipeline. Give your pipeline a name and add activities to it. For example, you can add a copy data activity to copy data from a source to a sink. Next, let's talk about triggers. A trigger is an event that initiates the execution of a pipeline. Azure Synapse provides several types of triggers, including schedule triggers, tumbling window triggers, and event triggers. To create a trigger, navigate to the Triggers tab and click on the New Trigger button. Select the type of trigger you want to create and configure its settings. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a schedule trigger. A schedule trigger is used to execute a pipeline at a specified time or interval. To create a schedule trigger, select the schedule trigger type and specify the schedule. You can choose to execute the pipeline daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you have created the trigger, you need to associate it with a pipeline. To do this, navigate to the pipeline and click on the Add Trigger button. Select the trigger you created earlier and click on the Finish button. Best practices for creating and triggering pipelines in Azure Synapse include testing your pipeline before deploying it to production, monitoring your pipeline for errors and performance issues, and using version control to track changes to your pipeline. In summary, creating and triggering a pipeline in Azure Synapse is a straightforward process that involves creating a pipeline, adding activities to it, creating a trigger, and associating the trigger with the pipeline. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate your data integration workflows and gain insights into your data.